Oh my God, it was a disaster. I was trying to teach what we call the one compelling sentence, like the basic marketing message, in an hour. This was about 10 years ago. This is Mark Silver with Heart of Business, and I want to explain how to make your business more profitable by actually honoring what your clients truly need in order to gain what you're trying to give them. So, the details of creating a marketing message are fairly simple and direct. If I wanted to, I could list them in a couple of minutes right here, but this is not what this video is about. But going from that, I was trying to teach all of that content in a single hour. If I go back about 15 years and I was teaching like bloop and people were not getting it. They were not getting it. They were not getting it. It wasn't happening. I had to learn this the hard way, which is that I took all of that content, I divided it up into pieces, I made those pieces bigger so you could actually see it. These are things that you learn because when you get into your 50s, suddenly maybe you need reading glasses because things look so small, they need to be bigger in order to see them. Learn some things with age. But I took each individual piece that I was spending a few minutes on in the course of an hour and made it its own lesson. I did that and turned a 1-hour class into a 6-week course. This was not because I was trying to extend things out and trying to stretch it out and really get as much out of it as I, justify giving people very little so I could charge more money. It was really just about honoring how people learn and what they need to take on new concepts, especially challenging concepts, things that challenge some of their assumptions, that require seeing things in a new way, that require the learning and the integration. I want to tell you that what you are probably doing is what I used to do. And it's overwhelming your people, and it's making your business less profitable. You're teaching something probably in an hour or a week or in 4 weeks that really needs 6 weeks or 6 months or a year. Now, this becomes a win-win because if you are really willing to put less in to each time period and stretch out the length and size of your offers, your clients will do better. They'll learn it, they'll integrate it, they'll implement it. You'll start seeing better results, which means that you're happy and they're happy, which means more referrals, which means more repeat clients. It also means that each offer becomes more profitable because you charge differently for a 6-week course as opposed to a 1-hour class. You charge differently and appropriately so for a 6-month course instead of a 4-week class. When I watch our clients do this, we see their revenue go up, we see them profiting, and we see them having really happy clients. Please take this to heart. Make longer offers. Be more in integrity for how people actually learn. And let your business be profitable. Do you have any questions about this? Thoughts? Pushback? What do you actually see in your own business? Do you see things that you're doing that could be stretched out, that could be made bigger or longer? Both for the benefit of your client and for your business? What comes up for you? I just want to see you fly. This has been Mark Silver with Heart of Business, and blessings on you and your business.